Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the camera coach on your brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro. So actually this process is quite easy. At first open your camera app and we have two ways of using the camera coach. The first one is, for example, that we are using our camera like this, and if we zoom in we'll see move back to improve focus. That's the first thing that this option does. It tells us some tips to get a better focus, better things while using our camera. But to use the camera coach, like the Google invented, at first we need to open the camera app and find the best angle for taking our photo. Then we have to tap this camera with a plus in the top right corner, and for example let me click this on my flower. I've clicked that, and now as you can see my phone is finding some best options. As you can see, what do you want in the photo? Get inspired, succulent close-up, potted succulent on table. We can for example click this one, and apart from that we could rescan our photo, etc. And now as you can see we do have other things. Zoom out to show the entire plant and pot. This will capture the full shape of the plant and its pot, providing some context. Here let me do so, and instead of the 2x let me click 1x. Now as you can see we have to click next step. Reframe to show the tabletop, including the tabletop adds content and highlights the clean lines of the pot. So let me do so and click next step. Place the plant slightly off center. This will create a more dynamic position than having plant centered. Let's do so and take the photo. As you can see, now I took the photo. Now if we click this X button here, it will redirect us straight to this, and now as you can see I don't have the previous photo, but this is the photo I've created right now using the camera coach. So the revision of my steps: at first get the best angle, then tap this icon in the top right corner. As you can see, if you did something wrong like I do now and I focused on the table, no suggestions, try a different scene. So let me for example place here a hard reset logo like that and tap try again. As you can see it has some bugs like I do have now, but now as you can see here they have what do you want in the photo: get inspired, power symbol close up, textured power symbol, and we have a lot of options. We can like, dislike and report. Here we have, as you can see, every single option. And that's it for today. Hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye!